Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope all of you are well and are enjoying your study at home. This is our third lecture. The students who are joining us first time are advised to listen carefully our previous lectures on YouTube DPS Media. Before starting a next level, it will be better to recap previous lectures for the connectivity of the topics. In last two lectures, we discussed about the problem solving steps. In this regard, we did study about defining the problem, understanding the problem. Again, keep in your mind that every new step is connected with the previous one. Students, now we will discuss the third stage, that is planning the solution. After analyzing a problem, we formulate a plan that will lead us towards the solution of a problem. Planning the solution includes finding the right strategy for problem solving. Some of the strategies are divide and conquer, guess, check and improve, act it out, and prototype. Now we will go through them one by one. First strategy is divide and conquer. Dear students, it is very old rule. If you want to succeed, then you should divide the large and complex problem into chunks and then solve it. So in this way you will succeed in less time. So a typical divide and conquer solved a problem using the following three steps. First, divide, second, conquer, and the last one is combine. Now, we will take an example to clear the concept of divide, conquer, and combine. If you look at the example, we will see that numbers 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5 are not in ascending order, and we have to arrange these numbers by using divide and conquer method. Our first task will be to divide this problem into two parts. After dividing it into two parts, the problem becomes much easier than the previous stage. Now, for more convenience, we can also divide the subpart into more parts till we reach at the stage where more division is not possible. But in this example, we will not have to divide it the second time because more division is not possible in this scenario. To make it in sorted order, we can swap the values. After that, we combine all the subparts of the problem. That's how we sorted a list of number in ascending order. Second strategy is guess, check and improve. According to the definition, the designer guesses a solution to a problem and then checks the correctness of the solution. If the solution is not according to the expectation, then he or she refines the solution. For example, a store has 183 watermelons. A truck dropped off some more. Now the store has about 400 watermelons. How many watermelons could have been dropped off? Let's guess any two numbers for watermelon. At the first step, we take digits, say 115 for watermelons, while other way of thinking can be 217. At the first step, we will check which one digit is more accurate. First, add 183 and 115. We got 298 watermelons. Value need more improvement because it is low quantity as compared to 400. Now check second guess. Add 183 into 217, we will get required 400. So the truck dropped off 217 watermelons in the shop. We see that second guess is much better than the first one. The next strategy is act it out. In this strategy, the designer defines the list of to-do tasks. Afterwards, programmers performs the task. For example, a plumber has to connect a pipe from a storage tank at the corner S of the roof to a tap at the diagonally opposite corner T in the figure. Find the number of paths for the pipe if the pipe can only run along the edges of walls A, B or roof C. Students, keep the figure in mind. Let's find the different paths for the pipe to connect storage tank to a tap. First path is this. Second is this. You may use this path. Fourth path is this way. Next is this. And the last one is this path. As we found 6 ways of working, you have to select which one will be the best or at least more suitable path. So by making to-do list, we find the best solution. The last strategy we have used to planning the solution is prototype. This technique draws a pictorial representation of the solution. However, it may help a designer to understand the important components of the solution. We will discuss this step in detail in next lecture. Now students, we have completed defining a problem, understanding the problem, planning a solution, and now we will discuss defining candidate solution. The word candid refers to something spontaneous and unplanned, which means sudden solution resulting from a natural impulse or tendency without effort. All the possible solutions of a problem that produce estimated results means not an exact result are known as candidate solutions. For example, if you are asked to find number of students in your school who can play football, the first unplanned solution will be to find the number of football players in our class is 5. Then we multiply it with the number of classes we have, that is 5. So the candidate solution is that we have 25 number of football players in our school. It is an estimated value. Now we find the exact number of football players in our school by visiting all classes to collect the exact number of football players in each class. Then add all the numbers to find the exact number of players in school, that is 30. Now we will discuss the last step of problem solving, that is selecting the best solution. Selecting the best solution. Sometimes we find more than one solution of a problem and select the best one amongst them. For example, assume that names of all students in your school are available on the website and you are asked to search a particular name. You can solve this search problem by either of the following methods. First solution is look at each name on the website one by one until the name is found or the list is over. Second is just press Ctrl F when the list is available in a web browser. You can type the name to search automatically. Solution 3. Copy names, put them in an Excel sheet and sort them in alphabetical order. Searching in a sorted out list is comparatively easy. Fourth solution is take printouts and search the required name. You can select any one solution amongst these to search a particular name. We have completed first topic, problem solving steps of unit number 1. Here is a home assignment for you. Activity 1.2 on page number 5. Thank you students for watching this lecture. Take care and Allah Hafiz.